Gail Banks with Gail Banks Creates. Welcome to my channel. I want to thank all of my new and existing subscribers. I appreciate all your love and support. Guys, I'm on today to share my Joann's haul. This past weekend, Joann's had all paper 50% off. And did I really need any paper? No, but I did need some like basic colors. Let me move this out the way. Like some basic colors to add to my stash. So let me show you what I was able to pick up. I picked up, and of course Joann's is Park Lane. I picked up this cream color 50 sheet, 65 pound, 8.5 by 11 solid core, and it was everything I'm going to show you as far as paper goes was $3.74. And I realized I didn't really have any 65 pound cream in my stash, so I picked that up. I picked up two of the 65 pound solid core 8.5 by 11, and I picked it up in black. I have a ton of black in 110 pound, but I was running low on the 65, so I went ahead and got that, and I picked up two. I also picked up one pack of white 50 sheet 65 8.5 by 11. I have one pack already, so I figure I better pick up another one so I have it in my stash, because it seems that we use more white 65 pound than anything. So I picked up another one, and for $3.74, you really can't beat that price. I also picked up just one pack of the solid core, and what did they call this? Did they call it Brights? It's called, here's the name right here, Brights. So I picked that up, and I mainly picked it up for this color, this one, and this one, because I have these colors in my stash, but I don't have a lot of this, and definitely not that color. So I picked that up. 50 sheets, 65 pound, solid core. Solid core just means if you rip it, whatever color it is on the outside, it's the same color on the inside. White core is if you rip it a color paper, the inside is white. So this is solid core. I also picked up, and this was an impulse buy. It really was really impulsive. It's 50 sheets, 110 pound. I did not need any 110 pound paper, but this was so pretty. And really, this one right here, let me see, can I give you a good close look up at that one? Isn't that gorgeous? You know, I normally say I don't have a favorite color, but I'm beginning to feel like me and purples are getting along very, very well. So I went ahead and picked this up as well. I also picked up this Bow Bunny Garden Grow collection. It's 6 by 8 paper, and you get 36 pages. And of course, before I came on here, do you think I opened it? No. So let me open it so I can give you a quick flip through of what it looks like, because I thought it was pretty. And yes, it was only $3.74. Oh wow, I did pick some dull scissors to cut through this, didn't I? Okay, so here it is, and let me just do it this way. Oh, it's single-sided, but isn't that pretty? I love this. Oh, wouldn't that be pretty on an ATC card or a memory dex card? Okay, so what's going to happen is I'm going to be like, oh, that's so pretty, that's so pretty. It's a really, really pretty paper pack. I like the little butterflies. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let me just quickly go through here for you guys. Oh, I like the difference, like a collage. And look at the little, is that a little chickie? Oh, that's so pretty. Let me see, can you see it that way? The little chickie and the little bird. Maybe that's a bird. Do it like that. Maybe you can see it better this way. And then it repeats itself. So you get 36 single-sided sheets, 6 by 8. It is a really pretty soft paper pad. I really like that. It's called Garden Grove Collection by Bow Bunny. Now guys, I went to Joann's twice, because I realized I had a 60% off coupon and I wanted to make use of that 60% off coupon. And what I picked up was this Paige Evans card kit, and it's called Blooming Wild. You get 559 pieces. It was regularly $8.99. I used a 60% off coupon, and I got it for $3.60. Oh my goodness, that was a great deal. So let me open this up and just kind of go quickly through what you get in this kit. Okay, so in this kit, you get some ephemera pieces, and I'll open that up in a minute so you guys can kind of see it. And we'll just go through it quickly. But you get card bases, and this is what they look like. And you get a total of 20 cards. And how many of these you get? 1, 2, 3, that's 4. Here, oops, sorry. Here's this one. Oh, I like this one. This looks like a Paige Evans design, doesn't it? Oops, sorry. That's pretty. And you got these. Oh, I like this. I like it this way, but to be honest with you, I like it going this way. And then this card, oh, it's got a little embellishment. It's almost like little irregular little squiggly notes, squiggly lines. You get some washi strips. See, it's washi. It's real thin. It almost feels like paper washi. And here are some stickers. So it says thanks. Look at the little butterflies. And the florals. And the oh, I had it upside down, didn't I? And the little birdies. Here are some more stickers. And these almost look like stickers you could use in a journal. And you get some dimensional foam pop dots and the envelopes to match. But let's look at the ephemera real quickly, because you're supposed to get like 28 pieces of ephemera. So you get different ones like that. So you're getting 2 of each. Oh, that's pretty. Happy birthday. Oh, congratulations. You got more than those. Oh, I like that one. Isn't that pretty? Thinking of you. Oh, wow. You get quite a few dope. Maybe like happy birthday is like 4 of them. Isn't that gorgeous? So this is the Paige Evans Blooming Wild card kit that I got for $3.60. It was regularly $8.99, but I had a 60% off coupon with Joann's. And I also picked up another card kit. I picked up the Bo Bunny Brighton. This is what it looks like. You get 545 pieces. You get 20 cards, 50 stickers, 9 washi strips, some pop dots, envelopes, and 55 ephemera. And I'm going to, of course, I wasn't ready, so let me open this one so you can see what's in here. All right, guys, here are the cards. Some pretty cards. That's pretty. That's gorgeous. And this was $8.99, but I had like a another 30 or 40% off coupon, and it came up to $5.39. So a little bit of discount is a great discount. Oh, that's pretty, and I like how it looks like the edge is distressed. That's pretty. Oh wow, this is similar to that Paige Evans one where you got the little lines and stuff. Oh, and I've showed you that one already. So that is the 20 cards that you get in the kit. Here are the stickers. This, oh, sorry. This is the, not ephemera, what's it called? Washi strips. Here's the stickers. It's somewhat traditional. Oh, I like the font on this hello. Sending sunshine to brighten your day. You are loved so much. Best day ever. And of course you got envelopes to match, and here are the little pop dots. I probably won't use those because I have some different ones in my stash and I tend to not like those too much. But here's the ephemera, and let me just open it quickly so you guys can see. I'm not going to let you do all of it because I don't want this video to be super duper duper long, but at least you can get an idea of what's in here. And it'll help, you know, when you get these card kits, it helps make cards really quickly, especially when you, oh, I like the little scallops. I got an idea for that. Especially when you don't have any inspiration and you go on Pinterest and you can't find anything. Just a note, thinking, oh, look at the little hearts. Oh, this is a nice piece. Actually, you could take this piece and do that like this. And you could do anniversary, or where's the other ones? We could do a happy birthday. Oh, so many things you can do with this. And then, of course, you got butterflies, more hearts, little hello. There's, oops, sorry, another butterfly. And then it's like, got some little bit, a little smaller pieces in here that I'm not going to take out. So this is the, did I say Bo Bunny? Yes. This is the Bo Bunny Brighten Kit. So guys, this is my Joann's haul. I did leave a community post showing, outlining, okay, we're not trying to outline, but letting you guys know that Joann had doorbusters this past weekend with the paper at 50% off. This is my Joann's haul. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Hey, why don't you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to be notified of new video uploads. Leave a comment below. I will respond to my comments. I want you guys to continue to take care of one another, continue to be safe, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye.